Hello, you're welcome to my Yoruba class. Here, let's look at some frequently used expressions for health complaints in Yoruba. We have my tummy hurts. Some people will say my stomach is paining me. So that's inú dùn mí. You can say inú dùn mí or you say inú run mí. Some people will choose to say inú ro mí, inú ro mí. My back hurts. That is my back is paining me in Yoruba, and that's why we have ẹ̀yìn ń dùn mí, ẹ̀yìn ń dùn mí, or sometimes you can also say ẹ̀yìn ń ro mí, ẹ̀yìn ń ro mí. I am throwing up. You say that as mò ń bì, mò ń bì. I have headache. In Yoruba, we say that as my head is aching me. That's literally orí ń fọ́ mi, orí ń fọ́ mi. So if you want to say I have headache literally, you would have said something like mo ní orí fífọ́, but we don't often say that. You rather say orí ń fọ́ mi. I have diarrhea. That's mò ń ya ìgbẹ́, mò ń ya ìgbẹ́. You can say mò ń yàgbẹ́, mò ń yàgbẹ́. Then I feel dizzy, I feel dizzy. That is òòyì ń kọ́ mi, òòyì ń kọ́ mi. I am pregnant. That is mo ti lóyún, mo ti lóyún.